Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring your phone, carrier, and app actually support RCS. This removes guesswork. First, open Messages and enable chat features. Sign in with your Google account so provisioning can complete. Once done, make sure the Messages app, Android system, and carrier settings are updated to the latest releases. Updates fix provisioning bugs. If you see provisioning status or network errors, note them now because they guide the next troubleshooting actions. You now focus on provisioning and network behavior since most RCS failures happen here. Check chat features for provisioning status and any error codes. This tells you whether the server rejected registration or timed out. Next, test both Wi-Fi and mobile data. Sometimes carrier DNS or Wi-Fi NAT blocks provisioning. Toggle airplane mode to get a fresh cellular attach. Then clear the Messages cache, force stop the app, re-enable chat features, and reboot the phone to trigger a clean reprovisioning attempt. You finish by isolating carrier versus device problems and establishing a safe fallback. Try the SIM in another RCS-capable phone or a different SIM in your phone. This tells you whether the carrier provisioning or the device is at fault. If issues persist, contact carrier support with provisioning error text, phone model, Android build, and timestamps so they can check server records. Meanwhile, enable SMS fallback in Messages and tell key contacts. This preserves delivery while you escalate with logs and screenshots.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.